Kartel. Wait. Let me stop right there, sir. Kartel. You know, say, if Lisa I've linked with Masicka, you're in a serious trouble. Enough people know say Joe Bogdanovich response to Kartel. Right through. Zine, that's why I know see Scatter so involved. No found the door now, so I can tell you. Scatter, tell Joe, lift up the blood clot veil of a Kartel. Tell him, Bill, Kartel have to come defend himself. Not talk over none of this. He can't talk about him look about family. He can't talk about how him a grace chillers. He can't talk about how him a big man now. Him grow up well. Stop show word. Stop style people. And nobody not hate you.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete. If minute upon the beat and it can't see upon the screen. Them said Masicka is acting up the streets. People putting out the comment section where you think about that, because me not gonna lie to you, he is not really saying nothing that hasn't been spoken like 20 years ago. It's say, some of them know if a theme place for bring up people argument like Hyoer Vanessa Bling and Bounty Killer and all of these things. This say, it's a foot of hype and at the beginning say Kartel can't do what him really want to do because I'm under Joe Bogdanovich. I don't want to say under, but you know, he's doing business with Joe Bogdanovich, and you know, say badness is bad for business. You see, say, and them not even reach where them want to reach in our business yet. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. People putting out the comment section, what is the real issue with Masicka? Because we see the disrespect pan Reggae Sunfest, and then we see him do videos saying him and Kartel cool. And no, we see him doing a whole bunch of songs disrespecting Kartel, but him not call it alkaline name. You see what I say? So he's not really answering Tommy Lee. He is deflecting from the situation that he got swept. You know what I mean? And if you take a look in front of you right now, Corey Tad said them need Kartel to take Masicka career internationally. So you see, so everything was orchestrated. You know what I mean? But nevertheless, for the hypes and Vybz Kartel, them stress. This is what I say. So let's hear what go on for that to go on and proceed with the next.
He called Kartel name again. He said, Adi, me hear it a while ago. Me hear it.
See them style there, for the chain. Them can't take it personally. They love bling bling. And can't stand up and...
What Masicka said, them this Lisa hype and this Kim. So Masicka defend Lisa now?
See them style there, for the...
Kartel. Wait. Let me stop right there, sir. Kartel. You know, say, if Lisa I've linked with Masicka, you're in a serious trouble. Adija Palmer, Vybz Kartel, World Boss, Teacher. You know, say, if Lisa Hype link with Masicka, take a shot of boom and rum, burn her weed, get in her feelings, and start talk. You in a trouble. Bumbo clad.
See them style there, for the chain. Them can't take bad mind, but the pussy them.
Bumbo clad. The man, so me see you get away fast. Good Slim. Gaza Slim get to it. Bumbo clad. Voila. You see me? Me can wrap my head and go preach. Me can go a road, go do fortune telling. Who in my circle where me talk to? Me tell them, say, one of the big problem will cause the mashup. Masicka did have to get paid for the show them when him go do for Kartel. And a free him go. And a free Kartel advice for him neither. My dogs never feel live and never sorry for thing. Money run. Corey run money. And in a free work, me tell you, sometimes me just not talk certain things public. So Kartel vexed now, cause he not feel like say Masicka should have stand on business with him. And a stand on business like Kartel have to pay him and them thing that. You understand me I say? So I hold a little emotion in that thing. You understand me I say? If and when, you know say, him a pre-Masicka. And Gaza fans, you can bex all you know and talk about foot and like Gaza. Me not hate Kartel. But if you call a spade, Kartel full of too much style. You know, remember when him come out and them say 4 lyricists and ask him, first time they ask him about 4 lyricists. You notice him never mention Masicka name. And I watch my TV and I laugh. Remember, you know, him jump out and him say Skilly Bang are the baddest thing in here. And I say, what you talk about? Say him are the king and Skilly Bang are the prince. I say, which part? No disrespect to Skilly, but Skilly? No, Skilly alright, brother. Skilly, him a doing thing. But the prince over everybody else in the game? Nah, nigga. And you not even mention Masicka one time? That I never true. You the comment them stuff again. Mighty God. This is crazy. This is not good. Can't see the comment them again. Anyway, I'm not gonna stop it again. So, Kartel. Me see, this is a disclaimer again. Me see Kartel send out scatter to try a tricky crowd and do a disclaimer about the song when him put out now have nothing to do with the clash. But when you listen to the song, I'll be what it a show up on the man. Zin, that now gonna work, Kartel. You never use that style, so that style can't work for you now. A brawling badness. Me know say you agree if you not do some song, people and enough things surrounding what Kartel they are road. Zin, enough people know say Joe Bogdanovich response to Kartel. Right true. Zin, that's why I know see Scatter so involved. No found the door now, so I can tell you now. Scatter, tell Joe, lift up the blood clot veil of a Kartel. Tell him, Bill, Kartel have to come defend himself. Not talk over none of this. He can't talk about him and look about family. He can't talk about how him a grace chillers. He can't talk about how him a big man now. Him grow up well. Stop show a word. Stop style people. And nobody not hate you. But we hate the fact that you move like LeBron James. And that's why you big up LeBron James in his song. That's what shows you now focus. Cause a Jordan are the real goat. You have to be like Jordan, Kartel. What Jordan do? Win 3. Retire. Come back and win 3 more. 2, 3 feet. 1 retirement. Nobody can beat that. Kartel retire from badness. Forward. Actually you have the LeBron James mentality. Make you think it a go work. It nah go work. You think say Masicka could have called up Bounty Killer name so? And why not go on? You think Killer would have take that? You think say Masicka could have called up Mother name? Them way ya. And nothing started? You think say when Joe them tell you about act like you're a Christian and act like a good guy, I got help you when your street cred mash up and your career rub out. I saw you want your legacy come rub out, yes sir. You just left your legacy give Masicka for walk, man. And you not gonna answer. After you're not dumb, after you're not deaf. You get better now, you'll jump on stage, your voice sound better. You have to answer this. Make Joe them a program, you're an idiot. Joe done rich already. Joe Pitney them can't hungry. All Joe great grandpitney them when they make it rich already. So you can stay there. Yeah, just make Masicka kick in the head, so. Big Vybz Kartel. War Angel. Remember what you say your name? War Angel. You lose the title if you're not answer now. You didn't make them tell you about don't answer. If you not answer it, worse, man, you know. Vybz Kartel. If you don't answer it, 10 times worse, man, you know. If you tell you answer, you know, and lose, you know. Right now, Gaza panicking, you know. Gaza don't know what to do, you know. Because none of the lieutenant, them and the sergeant, them can't work, you know. And you, the man a kick in your head now, generally, the man kick in, you know. So you're not going to fight. And the whole of your soldier, them a get wounded all about. Oh, it go. And you talk about, you focus on different things. No, you have to focus on blood clot list. We don't want to hear nothing else. We don't want to hear about no rum, no shoes, no shirt, nothing else. We don't hear about no rum, no shoes, no. We want to hear about bullet, bomb, and gun. A war time. We don't want to excuse. You can't tell we nothing. We don't want to hear no excuse. A war it name and Masicka kick in the head. So you can't tell we nothing. Tell Joe Lego your shot. Joe have you on a little leash. Tell him man Lego your shot, man. I want your reputation is important right now. The whole Gaza space. So see them here? Cause them jump up, you know. Me say Gaza uncle beat Masicka bad. I said, Fussy, you can't call DJ name. Call DJ name. See if you don't get licking in your face. See Masicka call your name about 1,000 times, you know. So you are going to sit down and make Gaza uncle look like an idiot. You make all of your Gaza vlogger them look like a clown. Cause what them are going to come say now? Them say the man can't call your name, you know. And me encourage the man to call your name and it happen. Cause we know the badness. And no physical badness can't go on. Cause you know want to go to jail. Masicka no want to go to jail. Tommy Lee no want to go to jail. Joshy no want to go to jail. Skeng no want to go to jail. None of we no want to go to jail. So now we deal with lyrics. And any answer this cartel, nobody not have to quarrel there, but you know say your street cred gone. You think water down. You can't come talk about you're not king boy. Yeah. You think say Masicka as old as Beanie and Bunty is, you think Masicka could have called up Beanie and Bunty name so and wanna start? You're a madman. Tell Masicka just run joke with Beanie man name right now and see. Or run joke with Killer name right now and see. You're mad. Must be sick in the head, man. I want to you. Here the man I deal with the whole gang, the man I
Them style they ready for the trade. Them can't take the pressure. Put the flame. Grow up and never try to take me out. M16 shot of fire to the brain. Don't spend to put more as if it put the gear.
Are your whole crew the man I talk about you saying? Your whole crew. Listen. Yo, me like how Masicka DJ harder now. The real Masicka come out to take a, you see? Take a general like me to motivate him. A long time I know say him can do it, you know. More see it resignate from the state.
Yeah, now we know why Vanessa Bling said, hey, Russian, somebody get F-Pan. You see what I say? And she was talking about Vybz Kartel. Anyway, people, you know, say, I got some say, you know, but about this way I deal with. You see what I say? And like I said, this is a good song, but I don't think Masicka should be singing about other people's problems. We need to know what is the real issue between him and Vybz Kartel, because he's saying things like no more gatekeeping. But we say Kartel did lock up in a one gate, in a one part and one prison pen, sending hits from behind bars, sending people to different heights in a dancer. So who is gatekeeping who? Right? That is why I showed you what Corey had said in the beginning of the video, because we know say Infrared did a lot for Masicka, because he even said it changed him life tremendously. But me just again them quick update while I go on for to go on. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified when I drop the latest though. Bless.